Hey everybody, my name is Derek from Addictive Tips. In this video, we will be talking about how to install Writefull. So, I feel like I should explain a little bit about what Writefull is. It's kind of like an assistant type thing. It helps you define words to translate stuff. If you do academic writing, basically this is what you need. So, to install it, you can open up a terminal, and if you have Snap support, well, then that's all you need because it's in the Snap store. But they also have a package and I think they have an RPM and some other stuff, but I cover all of that in the description of this video in the link that I have down there. So if you don't use snaps, go ahead and check that out now. But for everybody else, just open up your terminal, do snap, search, Writefull, and it should show up in the search results. And we see it's on the 3.0 beta, so you can do sudo snap install Writefull. And then just press the enter key. It's going to download everything from the stable channel. And I actually have Writefull already installed from the source code, but I think it's the generic binary thing that they release. But the snap version is also pretty useful too, and that can be launched. And I don't use it often, but I've actually, and because I'm not in college, I'm not a student or a professor or whatever. But it definitely helps if you want to use and define different words and translate. It's really useful. So definitely check that kind of thing out. You can launch it from the terminal with Writefull. You can also just run it from your launcher with Writefull like that. As you can see, I got both of them installed there. Sometimes it crashes because, it's got a beta on the top of it. But you get it running. It runs like normal. You can do compare phrases, get words in the context, synonyms, translate, define. So let's do translate. Translate. My name is Derek. Click translate. Okay, well maybe I should write Spanish. I am not a Spanish speaker, but there we go. So, you can do a bunch of different stuff. You can search, different phrases and all that. So definitely something that I would check out if you're in academic writing or anything like that. Anyways, guys, hope this was insightful and helpful to getting this app working. If you didn't know what this app was, maybe you just came across this because of this video, highly recommend it. But that's enough for me for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.